Hello and welcome, dear student. So this is the time for next practical question of royalty account, or we can say it's our practice session of numerical problems in royalty account. So how will you deal with problems regarding uh, recoupment of short working, problems regarding short working, and what is the method to record all these problems in the books of Lizzie and Laser. So this is our uh, question in continuation of our last discussion, which is already on their on your Moodle account. So dear student, let's check another question. So as you can see, this is the question is about, let me read for you. A coal company takes a lease of a mine for a term of 4 years from 1st January 1997. So this question is from old book, therefore the date is very uh, old. This is 1st January 1997. So it is about a coal company which takes a mine for 4 years. Okay, paying a minimum rent rupees 10,000 per annum. So there is a minimum rent of rupees 10,000 per annum, merging in a royalty for 50 paisa per ton of coal raised. So this is the amount of royalty, 50 paisa per ton. What quantity they raised from that mine, they will pay royalty rupees 50 paisa per ton. The lease contains provision to the effect that if the minimum rent paid in any year exceed the royalty for the year, the amount of the excess may be recovered by the coal company out of the royalty payable in the following year only. So this is the condition. So dear student, you will have to identify the condition given in the question about recoupment of the short working. So in this question, what they are saying that if in any year minimum rent is paid, why? Because royalty is less than minimum rent. So if minimum rent is paid, in that condition, when your royalty is more than minimum rent, in that case you can recoup your short working. So 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 short working can be recouped in the following year. Let me take an example. If there is short working in 2001, so it can be recouped only in 2002, not in 2003. If there is short working in 2002, it can be recouped only in 2003, not in 2004. So short working can be recouped in the following years only. Okay. So coal is raised as following: 2000 ton in 1997, 12,000 ton in 1998, 24,000 ton in 1999, and 30 tons in 2000. Okay, so these are the output for the 4 years. Pass the journal entries in necessary to record these transactions in the books of coal company. Okay, and show the amount in the profit and loss account and the balance sheet of the each year. So my dear student, we will transfer the amount which could not recoup in the concerned year. Okay, the amount which could not recover in the concerned year, we will transfer that unrecovered amount in the P&L account. Okay, so this is our condition. Now let's start the question. So this is our analytical table. As you all know, the analytical table is very important. In the first column, we will take years only. In second column, we are writing only outputs. It's 2, 12, 24, 30 as it is given in the question. And condition of the royalty, it is 50 paisa per ton. So when your output is 2000, the royalty will be 1000 rupees because it's 50 paisa per ton. So as per the condition, your royalty is 1000, 6000, 12,000 and 15,000. So let me explain again how it comes in 1999. 24,000 is your quantity and you are paying 50 paisa per ton, so your royalty is 12,000. Next column is about minimum rent, and minimum rent is fixed for every year, so it is 10,000. It is given in the question. Now short working. So as you know, short working is when your minimum rent is more than royalty, so it shows short working. So in the year 1997, your minimum rent 10,000, but your royalty is only 1,000 rupees. So in that case, there is a short working of 9,000 in 1997. So according to the condition given in the question, this 9,000 short working can be recouped only in the 1998, not in any coming year. Okay, so let's check in 1998. So in 1998, your royalty is 6,000 while minimum rent is 10,000. So in 1998, we have 4,000 short working. So there is no question for recoupment of the short working of previous year. In 1999, there is a royalty which is more than minimum rent, so we will pay royalty, but after recouping of the short working in 1998. So as you can see, in 2000 we have royalty 15,000 rupees and minimum rent 10,000 rupees. So we will pay 15,000 to the landlord because royalty is more than minimum rent. So this excess amount we cannot utilize to recoup the short working of previous year because of the condition. Because condition says that the royalty can be short working can be recouped only in following years. Now let's check few another columns of the table. Short working recoupment. So short working of year 1997 is rupees 9,000. It can be recouped with the 1998, but in 1998 we have already short working, so we cannot recoup the short working of 1997. Therefore in 1998, the short working which could not recoup will be transferred into P&L account. So in 1998, we had to recoup short working of 1997, which we could not recoup. So short working of 1997 will be transferred into P&L account in 1998. As you can see here, in unrecovered short working transfer to P&L account 1998, we are transferring 9,000 rupees. Now come to the next year. In 1998 we have short working of rupees 4,000 rupees, and we will transfer we can recover this 4,000 in the next year. So in next year we have royalty of rupees 12,000 and minimum rent 10,000. So excess amount is 2,000. So this 2,000 we will utilize for recoupment of the short working of 1998. So 1998 short working is only 4,000 rupees. So we can recoup only 4,000 rupees, only 2,000 because excess amount is 2,000. Okay, so we will recoup only 2,000 and remaining 10,000 we will pay to the landlord. Now as you can see, so short working which could not recoup of 1998 will be transferred into 1999 into P&L account, which is 2,000 rupees. Now come to the last year. In the last year the royalty is 15,000 rupees and minimum rent is 10,000. So the amount which is paid to landlord, it is 15,000 rupees. So dear student, this is very important to understand this analytical table because it is the solution of the question. So this is main solution of the question. Rest of all you will have to pass general entry, but before passing entries you will have to identify the conditions. What conditions we have in the first year? In the in first year we have minimum rent more than royalty. In the second year we have minimum rent more than royalty. In third year we have royalty more than minimum rent. In fourth year we have royalty more than minimum rent. So we have two conditions in this question. First two, minimum rent more than royalty, and last two, royalty more than minimum rent. So according to these conditions you will have to pass entries which are also given in this slide. So dear student, these entries you can pass. So this is your first year entry when your royalty is less than minimum rent. So for royalty due, royalty account debit, short working account debit to landlord. So in front of landlord you will have to write 10,000, it is for minimum rent. 1,000 for royalty and 9,000 for short working. So what you will pay 10,000 to the landlord. Now the second entry is landlord to bank, it's payment of royalty. And the third entry, profit and loss account debit to royalty. How much royalty we have? Only 1,000 rupees, which will transfer into P&L account. Okay, so these were the three entries for our first year. Second year is also same, when we have royalty less than minimum rent. So royalty account debit, short working account debit to landlord. So in the second year we have royalty only 6,000 rupees. So rest of 4,000 is our short working. So we will pay 10,000 to the landlord. So 10,000 account landlord account debit to bank. And last, we have to transfer our royalty as well as short working into the P&L account. So P&L account debit to royalty to short working. This short working is which could not recap in the 1997, and we are passing entry in the 1998. Okay, so we will transfer 15,000 rupees in P&L account as in our third entry of the second year. Now come to your last year, it is 1999, second last year 1999. So first of all, in this condition we have royalty more than minimum rent. So first of all we will pass the entry, royalty due, royalty account debit to landlord account 12,000 rupees, landlord account debit to short working to bank, because we are adjusting. So this entry for the adjustment of recoupment, for the adjustment of short working. So we are adjusting 2,000 rupees for short working. So landlord account debit to short working to bank. Okay. So what we are showing that we are paying you 10,000 rupees and 2,000 rupees is the adjustment. P&L account debit to royalty to short working. So royalty is 12,000. Short working is related with the 1998, which was 4,000 rupees, but we could only 2,000 rupees adjust. So remaining 2,000 is your amount which we are showing into our P&L account. And last year when we have royalty more than minimum rent, so again royalty to landlord, landlord to bank, and profit and loss to royalty. In this last year we don't have to adjust any short working, so therefore this last year is simple. Now next now I hope this question is clear to you. Please read and listen all the slides very carefully to get the much clear picture about this chapter. Now dear student, as you can see, we have another question for practice purpose. On 1st January 1997, the Mittal Collieries Limited took a piece of a land on lease. A minimum rent of rupees 2,000 in the first year, 4,000 in the second year, and thereafter 6,000 per month. So this question is different. In this question we have we have variable minimum rent. In the first year it is only 2,000, second year it is only 4,000, and thereafter it will be 6,000 per annum is paid to be merging into royalty of 37.5 paisa per ton. Okay, with power to recover short working over the first 3 years of the lease only. So we can this is the condition in this question, that you can recover your short working in the first 3 years of the lease only. The figures of the output for the years from 1st January 97 to 31st December 2000 were 1,000, 10,000, 18,000 and 20,000 respectively. Okay, now first make the analytical table, which is our main solution of the question. So as you can see, we have 97 to 2000 year, and output is 1,000, 10,000, 18, 20,000. As per the royalty, which is 37.5 37.5 paisa per ton. So by multiplying this we will get royalty amount. Minimum rent is 2,000, 4,000, 6,000 and again 6,000, because after 6,000 after 1999 it will be 6,000. So as you can see, in the first year we have minimum rent more than royalty, there is short working. In the second year we have minimum rent more than royalty, there is short working. In the third year we have royalty more than minimum rent. In the next year we have royalty more than minimum rent. As per the condition, in the first 3 years we can recover our short working. Okay, So as you can see, in the first year we have royalty, we have short working of rupees 1625, and this 1625 can be adjusted in the second and third year only, and the short working of the second year can be adjusted in the third year only. So my dear student, in the third year we have only excess amount rupees 750, which will be utilized for recoupment of the first short working, which is 1625. Okay, so out of 1625 we recovered only 750, so remaining 1125 we will transfer into the P&L account. Okay, now how it's remaining, how it's 1125, it's 1125 is the 1625 minus 750 plus this 250. So how it comes, 1125. Amount paid to landlord, as you know, the amount paid to landlord is 2000 in the first year, because your minimum rent is more than royalty, and 4000 in the second year, and 6000 in the third year. Okay, so this is our analytical table of this question. And dear student, you can also identify the condition which is very clear in the question. In the first year, minimum rent more than royalty, second year minimum rent more than royalty, third year royalty more than minimum rent, fourth year royalty more than minimum rent. Okay, so on the basis of these four conditions, you will have to pass journal entries in the books of Lazy. Okay, I hope you got understand these two questions, and you will have to make maximum practice of different such kind of questions. And after that, I will try to upload many more videos about royalty account, and we will try to solve different kinds of problems of royalty account in our coming videos. Till then, stay home, stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you so much.